Our next award category is Global Indians. This category is for those Indians who have returned to their shores with a promise to make India a better country. Equipped with ideas, innovations, solutions, and at times even capital, these are the amazing Indians who have set up global enterprises or have returned to India to formulate projects that are making a difference.
And the nominees are Ajay Chaturvedi. He quit his Citibank job in the United States to set up Harva, an all-women rural BPO center in the villages of Haryana and Rajasthan. Jyoti Reddy. She battled all odds to become the CEO of her own firm in Phoenix and is now empowering the women and youth back home in India. Amitava Bhattacharya. He left his well-paying job in California to rekindle the dying art forms of India and build them as means of livelihood for many artists. And Ashmeet Kapoor. Leaving his budding career in the States, he returned to his roots to improve the livelihoods of organic farmers while ensuring healthier products for the urban consumers.
A seasoned lawyer, an author and playwright who's written a play, Sons of Babur, that has done several shows at the Red Fort. An important member of the political theatre as well. A man who never runs out of words. A man who can be extremely combative even as he is soft-spoken. A man who started his career as OSD to former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and is back in the South Block. Calling up on stage, Minister for External Affairs, Mr. Salman Khurshid.
Category Global Indians, and the winner is Amitabh Bhattacharya.
Can we please hear a few words from you?
Thank you, Times Now. Thank you, everybody, for here. It's a very simple thing that, traditional art and culture are a very important part of India. And if we can look at it as a skill, then probably we can expand it for livelihood generation. Thank you very much.
The next category for Times Now Amazing Indian Awards is Educators of India.
The nominees in this category have helped make a significant change in this area. With an agenda for change, here are our nominees.
This category is for the amazing Indians who are redefining education through conventional and unconventional means, battling the odds to make this fundamental right available to all. And the nominees are Aditya Natraj has a special set of students, principals of rural government primary schools who are taught to teach the teachers. Kiranbir Sethi, this architect turned educationist, has been instilling children with confidence to say, I can, empowering them to herald change they want to see. Mamoon Akhtar, his school is a ray of hope to the children from slums of Tikiapara, making brighter future accessible at a cost of just 5 rupees a month. And Satyanarayan Mundayur, fondly called Uncle Musa, he has brought the worlds of Dr. Seuss and Roald Dahl closer to children in the hills of Arunachal Pradesh through his 13 libraries.
The winner is Aditya Natraj.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are 2 winners in this category. Let's have our first winner on stage, please.
I wish this award was actually called Amazing Teams of Indians, because there's very little I've done for this. I'd really like to thank the whole group of people who've been involved in this. I'm accepting on behalf of all of you. And most importantly, I mean, educators of India are the 800 government school principals that I work with, who work tirelessly every day. It's such a unrewarded job. Every day they're working at the grassroots. Bhagirath ji, you're an inspiration. Ram Avatar ji, people like you whom inspired us more than even we training you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yes, we'd like to hear from you too, sir.
Thank you very much. I have three words that come to mind when I see this wonderful presentation. One's conscience, one is compassion, and one is competence. Combination of these three gives, I think, really what Amazing India and Amazing Indians are all about. Thank you very much for giving us, some of us here, this opportunity. I have just one thought, which I will leave to you to consider. Is it not possible that amongst us politicians, there may be somebody who's amazing, and perhaps a category reserved just for one of us? Think about it. There's no hurry, but you can take your time and decide. Thank you very much.
Before I call the second winner, I'd like to introduce our next guest on stage, a third-term Member of Parliament, from being a familiar face amongst the Defence Forces as Minister of State for Defence, now taking the India story forward in the field of education. It's only proper that we call the HRD Minister, Mr. Pallam Raju, on stage to give away the award for the educators.
The other winner is Mamoon Akhtar.
Thank you, Times Now, for this honor. I have not come here to receive this award, but to take this award on behalf of my team who are working with me, for the people who are supporting the cause. And I have a big dream, and I want to establish many schools across the country, an equality English medium school for those children whose fathers are in jail, whose fathers are drug addict, whose mother works as a housemaid, whose father is a rickshaw puller. I want to give them a high quality English education. I am proud to say that it has 80% Muslim children and 100% supports come from the Hindu brothers. And I am very proud to say that.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate Times Now and to applaud your effort for bringing into the limelight all these wonderful people who are doing things at the level that it matters. I think we in our profession, whether as politicians or in government, we do have grand intentions, but time and tide does not wait. And I think the people who are actually making things happen are people like this. And we're really proud that India has so many of people like this who are enthusiastic about making a difference at the grassroots level. I would also like to applaud the innovators who are innovating for India, for the myriad problems that India has, because it's important that we find solutions to the problems that we have, and it has to be found here. Similarly, I would like to also applaud all the overseas Indians who've come back and who are making a difference along with the other committed lot. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to honor such brothers. Thank you.
एक शेर है, एक लाइन है जो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, जो मैंने सीखा है अपने उन लोगों से जो मेरे साथ खड़े हैं। लहू का रंग हल्का और गहरा हो भी सकता है, लहू का रंग हल्का और गहरा हो भी सकता है, मगर ये एक जैसे हैं तेरे आंसू मेरे आंसू।
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Congratulations once again.
We now move to our next category, the grassroots soldiers. India lives in its villages. To make India a stronger nation, it is essential to focus on this demographic group that constitutes a majority of our population.
In this category, we are bringing you stories of rural India, comprising of people who are working at the grassroots level. So let's have a look at the nominees.
They live in the villages of India, work with the villagers and empower them to bring about a positive change, our grassroots soldiers. And the nominations are Anita and Kalyan Paul, a city-bred couple who traveled to Uttarakhand to transform the quality of life of the mountain communities by initiating holistic development programs. Gyarsibai Saharia fought with the local landlords and became a campaigner for the rights of bonded labourers in Baran district of Rajasthan. Rajesh Shah's initiative Sabras frees the salt-producing Agaria community of Gujarat from the vicious cycle of debt and exploitation. And Rajkumari Devi, who challenged the tradition of growing tobacco in the Muzaffarpur district of Bihar, encouraging farmers to grow fruits and vegetables instead.
Member of Parliament, General Secretary of the Congress Party and Head of the Media. May I invite on stage माननीय जनार्दन द्विवेदी का स्वागत करूंगी मंच पर.
जिन्हें ये सम्मान मिल रहा है वे हैं ग्यारसीबाई सहरिया.
On her behalf, we welcome Meena Prajapat and Kalabai Saharia.
सबसे पहले मैं जूरी मेंबर्स एंड टाइम्स नाउ वालों का जागृत महिला संगठन की तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि और हमने जो भी काम किया तो उनको आज ये सम्मान के लिए यहाँ बुलाया गया. इसके लिए मैं पुनः धन्यवाद देती हूँ.
मैं टाइम्स नाउ के इस प्रयास की प्रशंसा करता हूँ. हम जितना अपने इतिहास को, मानव समाज के विकास को जानते हैं, उसमें सम्मान के लायक किसको माना जाता है. मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि जो अपनी महानता छोड़कर धरती पर आ जाए या अपनी साधारणता से, साधारण जिंदगी से बड़ा बन जाए और दावा न करे महानता का, शायद उसी को सम्मान दिया जाता है. आप जिन लोगों को चुन रहे हैं वो सभी ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने या तो अपनी ज़िंदगी की सुख सुविधा छोड़ी है, और या वे लोग हैं जो हमको अनाम लगते हैं लेकिन बड़े बड़े नाम वालों से ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करते हैं. मैं यही दो शब्द आज कह सकता हूँ.
Thank you very much, sir. And आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत बधाई.